Don't break it first try.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised. Hey, what's going on, guys? So me and Lennart are back out for another bash. So I've decided to bring the little Q117 scale buggy, but as you can see, I've changed the wheels over. It's got a lot of centrifugal force with these wheels, so we're definitely going to be able to do some backflips and stuff. But I've also put some zip ties at the front here just to restrict the shock movement, because the shocks were a little bit too big for this car and they were binding up the drive shaft. So once I straightened everything up, it spins nice and smooth now. Should be good. And I did bring the little Hostbead 118 scale HS18422. I believe that's the number. But as you can see, I've changed the wheels over to the Black Hole 118 scale wheels, and they seem to be pretty good. They are a lot softer than the stock wheels, so it should be a little bit grippier, although Lennart says it's pretty slippery. But I have put some oil-filled shocks on there, and the rear is extremely hard, extremely stiff, but there's no bounce now. It just seems to be a little bit too stiff for the size of the car and the weight of the car. So we'll see how we go. Did bring the little jump down, so yeah, we'll have a little bash round, but I don't think that little Hostbead will be doing too much. Definitely get some backflips and that with the Q. Oh, on the nose.
At least they're light.
Yeah. Oh, almost.
So wobbly.
I know, it's just not right, is it? Look at the wheel as well.
Oh. Can't you lip it back over?
No, it's like a beadlock one.
Oh.
Simple one's broken, yeah. It's still all wobbly. I think one of the wheel axles is already bent. Yeah, I think so. That's right.
I'm just gonna have to drive with a wobbly wheel.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with that trim. It just doesn't seem to want to stay straight. It's either pulling to the left or pulling to the right. Either way, it's always pulling. Oh yeah, still not quite enough centrifugal force on 2S either. Oh, Lennart. Have to put a little standalone receiver and speed control in that. 3S capable, but I'll be running a Dumbo RC receiver and controller, so it'll have a gyro, which I think that's going to help that car a lot. Definitely needs a gyro, doesn't it, Lennart? Yeah. This one's all good. These Q cars seem to be quite stable, and they do stay pretty straight. Nice. Beautiful. Was that your first front flip? Second. Oh, that was awesome. You kind of know how to do front flips like perfect. All right, let's see if we can hit this ramp at full throttle, guys.
I won't be.
Wow, might have to glue them. These aren't too bad, these wheels though. Definitely better than the buggy wheels. He's literally trying to jump himself now. Oh, did that shell come off the back? Yeah, shell might have come off the back. Lost a couple of pins.
Oh.
Yep, broke it. Ah, there we go. So the shells are pretty weak on these cars, guys. All right.
It's like,
don't worry if you break it. It's not going to last very long. Oh, into the concrete.
thought that was this.
I thought that might be the battery. Yep, that's the battery.
Jeez.
It's done. Lennart's got a little bit of battery left. I did bring a spare battery for that as well, so I might have a little muck around with it when he's finished. But yeah guys, I don't know how this thing survived all that. Front flips, quad flips. Yeah, it's pretty insane actually for the price, $150. Woo! As you can see, we got another de-beaded wheel, but yeah, like I said, I'll be able to glue them and completely fix that up. But yeah guys, this thing is absolutely insane. I'm gonna have to bring another battery next time so Lennart can have a full battery and see what he can do with it. See if he can pull off a couple of quad flips with it. What do you reckon?
That would be cool, but I don't want to break.
Right guys, have a little muck around with the little HoSpeed 118 scale. That was awesome! The steering's right now.
Yeah, that's the only way I could keep it straight. Can I try and jump over myself with the GoPro one?
Oh yeah, if you want.
While you get the car. I'm kneeling, so this I can't really dodge.
You landed right on the back of the car there.
I couldn't see because it was like straight over my head.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah, don't worry about the shell. Punch it. Oh, he didn't anyway. Yeah, the rocks are just too big. Oh, well, if that shell wasn't broken already, it definitely is now. Nice, Lennart actually tried to catch it. Oh! There goes one of the LEDs.
Yep, it's like shattered.
Oh, no, there we go. No, it must have just been the wire that come undone. It was flickering before, so don't worry. Go hard. Fixed. Fixed.
If it's broken, just smack it and then it's better.
Just whack it and it'll work again. Oh! Oh, almost. Oh, that was beautiful.
That was worth it.
Holy crap, I almost got hit.
That was great.
I know. Alrighty guys, so that is all over. As you can see, we've pretty much destroyed the shell on this car, but it's good fun. Lennart, you enjoy it?
Yep.
I definitely think the oil-filled shocks are too stiff for it. Gonna have to change them out before the next bash. We might just glue the wheels and just keep using them. They are pretty good. the Suchi U buggy is absolutely awesome with these truggy wheels. Maybe on 3S we're probably overheating the motor a little bit. I did feel a little bit of heat coming through the top of the shell, so yeah, on 3S it's definitely a bit too much with those wheels, but it's great fun. So it was another awesome day, guys. I can't wait to do it again. Cheers, catch you in the next video, and as always, stay safe.